Hey guys, happy Thursday. I meant to send out a video introduction earlier this week, but things went awry. But usually I will send out a little video introduction to the week on Mondays to help sort of level set and help you make sense of what to do. But it looks like a lot of you have already made sense of what you're doing, so this might not be necessary for all of you. But welcome to week two. Quick reminder that if you missed anything from week one, I have already graded it as missing, which means you should do the thing. So, as a little review, if you're not sure how to tell what your grade is, if you go to assessments and then you go to grades, you'll be able to see all your grades there. I grade right away so that if you are missing something, you're aware right away and it's not something that comes back to bite you later. So you can look through the grades and anything that has a line we haven't done yet. But if it has a 50% grade and it says missing, then you should do that thing. Let me know if that applies to you, but you're not sure what it is you're missing. I can help you with that. Your classmates could probably help you a lot faster. So this week, this is the announcement from Monday. I'll send out a reminder announcement right with this video. You have a bunch of readings, right? One, two, three, four, five, six readings. They're all short poems, and one poem you get to choose by yourself. You click on that link and you choose from that list. You want to read all of them, but then you only annotate two of them. And I know one of you's finished your annotations and one of you's finished half your annotations, so there should be two poems that you've annotated, and there should be at least four annotations on each poem. That's always the rule of thumb. Four annotations, not just one. You won't get full credit. And then you have two pieces of a creative quiz and some writing. So if you click this to get to the discussion board, it asks you to think about a poem or two that you want to focus on. You can just focus on one poem. That's totally fine. Obviously, should probably be one that you annotated because you'll know that well. And there's a list of questions, and you can pick whichever question you feel like you have the most to say. There's a link here to help remind you what things like symbolism is and tone and theme if you're not sure what those are. But these are basically questions about literary terms that you might have some familiarity with. Maybe some of them are new. Again, you're not answering all questions, just five. And you want to include as much detail and evidence for your answers. I see Charles has already posted his. His is a really good example of what it should look like. And then, of course, you want to make sure that you respond to two of your peers once you get some more, once you get some more answers up there. Beyond that, it's the creative quiz, and please make sure that you make up any missing work from week one so that when we start week three, we can just get started without looking backwards at all. So, looking forward to hearing what you have to say, and I'll respond as quickly as I possible as soon as I see those annotations and those discussion boards come in.